You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl.
Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time seeing your girl. Hi, hello, I am Elaine Michelle, and I am literally your new best friend that's gonna help you get your life back together, because we're gonna do it together, because I need to get mine together. So if you're wanting to get your life together, budgeting, planning, all the things that are incorporated in that, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button so that you don't miss another one of my videos. Now that we done got all that out the way, let's go ahead and get into this episode of Back to the Basics. Ever feel like your money just disappears and you're not really sure where it's going? Well, today we're going to break down our monthly budget. Now, last time we did a paycheck budget, and I had a lot of people down in the comments and they were like, you know what, I like this, but I'm a little nervous, so I want to start with the monthly, so then you'll be able to break it down and we'll help make it make sense. All right, so step one is to know your income. You can't get anywhere without knowing exactly what you're bringing in. And I'm not talking about your gross. I need you to get with me with your net. That's your actual take-home income. So what you're earning, whether it's bi-weekly, weekly, or whatever, you're gonna multiply that. If you are weekly, then you'll do it by 4 or 5, depending on which month we're in. And if you are bi-weekly or bi-monthly, you get paid twice a month, more than likely. And you'll just take that and multiply it by 2. So go ahead and write down how much you make, how much you're bringing in a month. Also, don't forget to add in any side hustles, any side income that you have. Remember to add that into your income as well. Just make a separate line and put that on there. Now, I know you're probably like, I don't know if I'm actually going to bring that in. It's okay. Look at what you made last month, the month before that, and the month before that. I like to do 3 months, okay? If you look at 3 months of what you have, that'll be able to show you an average, and you're going to want to use that to plan. So step 2 is tracking your expenses. Use your banking statement to do this. It makes it so much easier if you haven't been writing things down. Take the last 3 months that you have, and you're going to pull out your fixed expenses from your variable expenses. Your fixed expenses are going to be your 4 walls. Those are the things that you need to make sure that you survive. I need you to survive. Your variable expenses are going to be like those streaming services, your entertainment, your fast food. Like, you're going to want to make sure you pull those out so you can identify how much you spend. And that's why I said use 3 months, because 3 months will give you on average about how much you're spending and helps you make sense of the money that you're spending and when you're spending it. Step 3 is set priorities and goals. Now, you know your girl, I love to set goals. I am that type of girl. But I like to make sure that my goals are aligning with my priorities in life as well, so that I stay on track. It's easier to stay on track if I know what my priorities are and I'm setting goals that are attainable. So I try to say set 3 goals for yourself and then set 3 priorities for the month, whether that be making sure you pay your bills on time, which we should be doing that, or just making sure you pay every bill's minimum balance. Whatever that looks like to you, you want to make sure that you do that, because that is a part of having a healthy money mindset. Step 4 is going to be choosing a budget method, so that whether that's the 50, 30, 20, your zero based, or your paycheck budgeting, however you need to do it. I personally love the paycheck breakdowns, but if that doesn't work for you, then just do what works for you. Paycheck to paycheck budgets help me to stay on track, because it's making me more mindful of my money on a more broken down basis versus just looking at an overall view. Step 5 is going to be adjusting and tracking your progress. Listen, your first budget won't be the best one, okay? It's gonna look pretty, it's gonna feel a little icky, and then you're gonna be like, you know what, I don't like it here, okay? I hate it here, actually. But give it a chance. I believe that 21 days makes a habit, truly. But also, again, 3 months. If you take 3 months to really focus on something, you truly build positive habits, and that is going to help you when you hit those burnouts. So if you're tired of guessing where your money went, how it got there, what happened, all the things, I want you to make sure you pause for a moment. What are your goals? what is it that you want to do that is causing you to be here where you're looking at, what do I need to do for my monthly budget? Your money mindset truly matters. Starting off with your monthly budget is going to help you be able to see where you are. But I do prefer to break that down even more into a paycheck to paycheck budget. And I have several of those videos on my channel right now that will show you how to break it down. Once you've got your monthly, you're going to break that down one by one, each paycheck, from this one to this one, to see how we get there. I'm going to show you guys my monthly budget in the next video, but this is the bare bones on how you can get started. And I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. Are you ready to create your positive money habits and building a monthly budget? I'm so excited. Let's get to it. If you're tired of guessing where your money went, listen, If you're tired of guessing where your money went, build your monthly budget today, not tomorrow, today. And it'll help you see where your money goes. Comment what budgeting method you currently use. What are you liking? What have you tried in the past? What has failed for you? And let's have a conversation so we can start. Comment down below what budgeting method that you're choosing to use. It's really important that we talk it out, because one method might work for me and it doesn't work for you. But I truly believe when you're able to see where your money is going, you're able to do better. Make your money, don't let your money make you. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah. KK, bye!